Hey everyone. So in the last video I have created one prompt template for the description, which will automatically generate the description for this contact. So in this video I will cover which will automatically generate the booking summary for this contact. Because in the related tab, if I come to related tab, here you can see the lots of booking records are there. So I just wanted to automatically populate some upcoming or others details for the booking one, so that will automatically populate here. So for that I will create one more prompt template for generating automatically booking summary for this contact. So earlier what we have done, we have just automatically populated description based on the prompt template. So just now come here on the, just type prompt builder, click on this prompt builder. In the right side you can see this new prompt template button, click on this button. Now I also wanted to generate field value, so just click on this field generation, or yeah, so just type generate booking summary. Now choose the object. I'm just choosing contact. Now here choose the field, click on this next button. Now you will come on this prompt builder page. Now here on this prompt template workspace you have to define the prompt. So just type prompt here, generate a summary of all upcoming bookings for the following contacts. So here just enter the contact name, choose from resources contact. I am just choosing the full name. Now write the booking details. So now enter list of upcoming bookings with list of upcoming bookings. Now here choose the resources contact booking. Okay, so now if I wanted to choose individually, like contact booking, let's see what value we can get. No, I think we cannot. Just list of contact booking information, instruction, list of upcoming bookings information in the bullet points. Please provide 5 to 6 line of the booking information. Yeah, I'm just keeping it as simple. So now I just enter the prompt for generating the booking summary of the contact. Now if I added the prompt, now just need to preview that. Just select the related record like contact and select the preview language. Just click on save and preview button to preview the templates, like what it is generating for the given, for the selected contact. So just wait for that. So here we can see the multiples booking information in the response. Or here in the right side you can see the configuration. We are using model type as standard, and model we are using OpenAI GPT-4 Omni Mini. So now I check the preview. Now needs to be activate this prompt template to apply on the field. So just click on this activate button to activate this prompt template to be used in the field. So just come to the contact. So this is the contact. Let's choose some other contact. There are some multiple contacts. Okay, let's check the related tab. Yeah, booking information is here. Click on this detail page. Click on this gear icon. Click on this edit page. Now you will come on the builder for the lightning. Just wait for a few minutes. So now here we have created the prompt template for booking summary. So now needs to apply that prompt template on this booking summary record field, the booking summary field. So here you can see, once click on this field, you will see prompt template. So I just created generate booking summary. Just click on this one, then this will this template will apply on this field. So yeah, now just click on this save button to apply this prompt template on this particular field. So yeah, now just wait for saving. Now it's saved. Click on this back arrow to go back to the contact. Now let's see here booking summary. Click on this pencil icon. In the right side you can see this icon. Just click on this, then generative AI will take the prompt from the prompt template, and accordingly based on this record page value, record page of this contact, the response will generate, and we can directly click on this button to use this response in field. Now after clicking on this use button, the value will automatically populated in this field. Now if I wanted to save this field value, just click on the save button. Now here is some issue is occurring. Oh, okay, this field is required. Okay, let me see. There is no other account. Just click on create a new one. Just click on this save. Now click on this save button. This will work. Okay, yeah, so now you can see the response has been auto generated, and this is automatically stored in this field. So yeah, that's all about the new prompt template, which will store the booking summary of this contact. So that's all. Thank you.